What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be talking about my car and how it's losing boost, and let's figure it out together. So make sure you like, comment, share my video, my channel, and subscribe. Alright everyone, so this is my BMW 435 6-speed manual, and I'm going to give you some verbal action in the Holland Tunnel. Alright, I think that's good enough for now. It's dark right now. The only reason why I came here, I'm going to insert a picture right here, is to figure out a boost leak at my boy's shop, at Stand Shop. It turns out I'm just missing a little fitting, or whatever they might call it, on my charge pipe, which is throwing my entire car off. So what I'm going to do now is, I guess I'll contact BM3 and ask them for a new fitting, put it in. Alright everyone, so I'm gonna make a continuation of this video a few days later. So I figured out why my boost is leaking. I just needed this plug right here, this is a square head plug, and we're going to install it. So let's get this going. So you see down there, it's a little hard to see. I'm gonna try to focus it, right? But down there, there's a hole in my charge pipe and a 1/8 plug where the meth bunch is flew out. So let's get this going. Alright everyone, so I'm continuing the boost leak video, and yes, I'm back in the Holland Tunnel, and guess what? Boost is back, baby. It's not whining anymore, we're good to go. Alright, so it turns out guys, that was a fail. The screw was already there. I just tightened it up a little bit, and the car is still leaking boost somewhere. I'm beginning to think it might be the throttle body, but for now I'm going to release this video and keep you guys posted as I go. Eventually I hope I figure it out one day. Here's just a quick walk around of my car. Just a basic M Sport 435, 6-speed manual. You know the drill. Don't mind the interior, it's pretty dirty, but I don't care. It's the way I drive it.